So another thing you want to avoid at the garden center is anything that is you can direct sow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is big in the last 5 years.
Yes, this is big. You'll see carrot starts. You'll see what's another
corn,
Oh,
green
corn.
beans, cantaloupe, watermelon. What other?
Well, didn't we start corn and then transplant?
We tried. It's just easier to start it in the ground. We tried it to attempt to see what would happen.
That's right. Yeah.
But you see cornstarch, you see watermelon, cantaloupe, squashes, and then radishes and carrots. Radishes take 30 days. Carrots take 60 days. You don't transplant those things. You disturb the roots. Beets, okay, you could do that, but it's easier just to put it in the ground. But these garden centers purchase these seedlings from a manufacturer because they know they will sell because of, quote unquote, the convenient factor. So you go and buy a cup full of green beans, and typically by the time you get to the garden center, the green beans are not in good shape to begin with. And there's 4 or 5 in a 4-inch pot, and you get them home and you try to transplant them and tear the roots apart in order to get them. And out of the 5, you get about a half of one to grow. And you've paid $4 or $5 for this canister, and you get frustrated, and you're like, I'm not doing this anymore because I killed plants.
Right. And
you didn't kill plants. You were set up to kill the plant.